The other day, I make a video talking about my last year on the program. Yeah, farmer program. So everybody asks me why I'm last year or why I say if me serious. You know, but this is it, my people. Me actually serious about it. You know, but my planning on making a video and explain all about that for you guys, so you guys can understand the real reason behind me resigning from this program. Yeah, it's a good program. This program has done so much for me, you know, regardless of me saying the time has come. So if you don't want to hear the reason why I put an end to this, just type yes in the comment section. And then we will take it from there and explain to you guys the real reason why I exit this program. Yeah, man. This program, I put a limit on me. I can't get to do what I want to do. Or do what I like. Or do things what I really want to do from my heart. I can't get to do it. So no one never see them up on tree yet. You only see them in the store. For all of those who do not know what these are called. In Canada, they call them pear. And this is the tree that they actually bear on. This is a pear tree, my people. Take a good look. You know, them soon get fit. So as soon as them get fit, you know, we are going to eat them. Because they're not actually in the yard where we live. A few up in the top as well. Let's take a good look. But finally, you can't say you never see them. Yeah, man. I make you see them on tree. These are called pear. Once I compare the tree I visit, I feel like I would eat one. But I check see them did ripe, my people. When I come closer, I realize that them not ripe. I just the color. Them have the brown color. Normally when them ripe, so them look yellow. I realize that I know yellow them yellow. I just the color them have. Yeah, man.
You say you need your space, then pull me close. I read your silence, louder than most. One day you're warm, the next day you're cold. Got me second guess.
So yes, my people, these are called peach. First time you see peach pan tree, so I go on, man, I make use of it as well. That is it. Yeah, man.
Nice.
So imagine you use them and make some juice. How nice them would that be? Quite a nice one. I want to know too ripe no more. Right.
Somebody not good enough.
That one are ripe.
What's that?
So we just strip it off. See it? So juicy full, my people. Fresh from the tree, you know?
They want 2 more.
And this is the seed, you know? People, welcome back. Once more again, I'm actually outside, my people in the orchard doing something different. After a hard 6 weeks of cherry season, we are over with cherry So I'm back on the apple again, my people. This morning, want to do some apple pruning. You can let in some sunlight on the apple. As I see, they are so green. Yeah, man. So that's the reason we're going to let in some sunlight by pruning the apple, my people. Like for instance, this, I'm going to clip out these fresh spring in so the sun can able to penetrate on the fruit, my people. So, once you stick and stay, sit, relax, and full dry the video, my people. Take a good look. And these apples are called ambrosia, guys. Yeah, man. Some of them fine because the rush never get to thin out the apple. So you find out some of them small in size. Yeah, man. So you look here now, notice you know so the apple clear here now. You notice the sun can penetrate upon them. Well, go on. That is it, my people. So you look, That's how I go on, people. They are putting the work like always. Yeah, man. Get this work done. So you know we done the foot. So we're going to use the leather here now and cut out the head of them now. You can see lots of young springing. No, we can't reach up there, so we have to use the ladder. So I go up on the lower side, all the young springing them cut out. Go on. Yeah, man. Right, just so now the apple need something in. Go on, yeah, so. Need some attention, bud. Apple for days, man. Apple. Apple. Apple already, man. Gala, Gala apple, different from this. This is ambrosia. See? This is a gala row. You know, gala, one of the first apple to come in at your time. See it? Hmm?
Right there.
Hmm. Back. Yeah, put in the earth, you know.
Again.
But you set to your bro, you shall eat bread. Huh?
This one really nice. These are yeah. Yan doon today? More there. Easy. What are you doing up here? Yeah. I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you're doing. I'm not going to do that. Years by two man. When Jesus was cut, I go and say, no, I'm look over the I only 6 and you only 9 feet. If I suffer them road beer that they can't move. I'm scared.
So I go on, guys.
Superstar.
Man, I play him green and clean.
Yeah, man.
So I go on.
Superstar, man.
See it? Yeah, man. Play him well clean. Pretty. This field, when I F, #1 field. The field of them use a field of export. By looking at the play, you can know. No doubt about this. So yes, my people, we finished the day. And we are head home. Yeah, man, we are head home here now. It was a good day regardless. The sun did hot out for we, my people, but you know we are black man, them so we strong. And we finished the day. Prune of this. This do all of the work. This do the work. Yeah, man. I want to give thanks to Father God to bring us through the day without any of us fell from the ladder. Yeah, man. God is the greatest. Yeah, man. Apple them clean and pretty. So yeah, my people, are going. Just decide some want to take a look walk. You know? Yeah, man, Carl. So I'm out there today, up and down on the ladder, whole heap of walking, my people. I just want to take a look walk and exercise my muscles. Yeah, man. Key thing here, keep your muscle, keep your body in shape when you're there. So, yeah. The worst thing, after you get up and your muscles them cramp up on you. Yes, after a hard day of work, you come in, you all are fresh. Yeah, just take a little walk. Kind of keep your muscles them in shape. People. Yeah, man. So in the meantime, I will go on a little view of the place from where me actually at now. Gonna see what I go on. Yeah, I'm gonna see the landscape. Beautiful. So now set over there, so yeah, man. That is actually the west, in the west side. Where me actually at the moment. Zoom it up, I'm gonna see it. Yeah. I'm there look right down at the airport. I'm gonna try to zoom it up as close as possible. I'm gonna see what I go on. See a plane on the runway, that plane the dust land with people. I say plane park up same way, maybe a load. We take off anytime soon. So that's Kelowna Airport. So I'm just right above the airport, my people. So whenever time a plane land or take off, I can see it with people, you know? Yeah, man. So I'll go on this. So. But the city now is more back to that side, the city. This orchard is at the orchard I always talk about. I always tell them that the orchard is near the house where I live, and that are the house people. Not the little old zinc up one, you know. See that big one? Actually two house people. See, one at the front and one at the back. So you have over like 100 workers staying in those houses. Yeah, man, that's why I can always just walk down the little track and go into the field. I'm gonna see what I go on my people. Or whenever time the helicopter blow, this is one of the main fields I always can stay up on the top and video the helicopter whenever time the helicopter normally used to blow the cherry whenever time rain fall, guys. You know? So this is a landscape of where I'm actually at. You can zoom up down in the town, I can see what I go on. But out on the highway, my people. You can see it busy. People, I still up on my little exercise. I go on keep the muscles them up. You know? Yeah, man. Them say health is wealth. We just always want to make sure body healthy. Yeah, man. I always want to know what kind of flowers is this, or bush or something with people. I don't know if any of you know what these are called, but I always want to know what them called, but I never get the name of these. I just like them people. You know, I just like to see them. Just the color, maybe the red color, you know. I the little, I don't know, these things that seems to have something inside, think some seeds, think them ripe. Yeah, man, some little seeds inside. Yeah, man, so any of you know the name of these, you can leave it in the comment, let me know. I think mostly people inside of Canada would know the name of these. people, I head back to the house here now. I'm gonna leave the guys and I'm gonna cook some real strong food. Yeah man. Left them cook some curry chicken and some caramel dumpling, shrimp, curry shrimp, same way. Yeah man, so I head back to the house and now. See if I can get some feed me people. Yeah. So no know what thing going on my people. So it's always a blessing. I want to say just continue to support people and stick and stay. And please remember to subscribe to the channel so you will be notified when I upload next content. Yeah man. God is the greatest. Peace out. So go on some chicken curry. That's how I go on here so. Some boiled dumpling. That's how I go on this so. Yeah, man, so boiled dumpling and chicken curry also, Guyanese style curry chicken. Life of a farm worker. Brown stew fish. Yeah, man. Curry shrimp. See it? Peas, yeah, so. Rice and peas style I go on here, so.